that area of my front yard which has greener grasses were newly planted Bermuda seeds. I think I tried planting them 3 times. This is the front area of my house. I have 3 colors of the vinca or periwinkle: red, pinkish, and the white. Sweet potato vine, Ghana, which is not looking good, palm tree, Coleus, nasturtium vine. This one has not flowered yet. I have 1 bloom of the orange hibiscus. Purple heart, Cupid peperomia, another variety of Coleus, red hat popper. I have 1 flower, Pitonia, the pink one, Xenia, sage, sedum, Andracena. Pansy flowers, this dahlia has not bloomed yet. 4 o'clock. Peach colored hibiscus, yellow hibiscus, this one is dahlia again. I was expecting that the flower would be like this, Twinings smarty, but there's no white petals. Orange dahlias, petunias. That one is mandevilla. I planted 5 artichoke plants here, but they don't seem to like the heat in Oklahoma, so only 2 survive. We're already in the month of October, and here is my asparagus patch. I started this 1999. The zinnias in this area are prettier than the one in the front yard because they get some shade. I don't know what part of the day. Chrysanthemum, more moms. They look so gorgeous. My project this week, Black-eyed Susan. This is my first time growing this. This is annual, which is kind of sad. I think I planted the seeds like 6 times before I successfully grew them. This is only one plant. It's kind of pretty, isn't it? They say to grow this in full sun, but here in Oklahoma, it's not like that. Now that the weather is cooler, it's giving out more flowers. The lettuces and mustards are looking good, but 2 of the lettuce plants have bolted. You see, compared to that, see, I'm still happy. They look so pretty. I don't feel like harvesting. Onions for my Chinese cuisine. Lemon balm. I planted gomphrena, beans, and strawberry plants in those vertical planters. More bean bushes, angelonia, sweet potato, sad looking potato plants, red blanket flowers, broccoli. I have a hard time growing that eggplant. This time they're giving me flowers. Broccoli, zucchini, fig tree, chili pepper, coleus. I have planted many pepper varieties in that vertical planter. Let's start with the Mamma Mia. Peperoncini, shishito, orange bell pepper. I don't think I'm gonna grow this next year because the fruit is quite small. Sweet banana pepper, chocolate pepper. They have not ripened yet. Gypsy. And the pimiento pepper. I'm so excited with this pepper because I grew up eating a sandwich with cheese and pimiento spread. I also planted the stevia, cinnamon basil, oregano, and petunia flowers. I planted 3 bushes of the first prize roses. Moonlight in Paris roses. Zinnias. I'm going to collect the spent flowers so that I can get the seeds. This is a snacking pepper. I forgot to keep the tag in the container. More sweet banana peppers. I need to plant this petunia flowers. Olive. Veronica. This is a cucumber, and I think the variety is Armenian. Blueberry, grape, tomatoes. White butterfly bush, okra, I'm going to harvest the corn later. I also planted beans beside the corn. I've got 2 ripe bell peppers. What a waste if I cannot make some harvest from these bean plants. I don't know what's going on with these raspberry plants. I have planted these ones like 3 years ago. I have not even seen even one flower. Eggplants. These are dwarf tomato plants. Insects are eating the flowers.